staying with Republican, well, the killing of Kashmiri Sarpanch Ajay Pandita has sparked nationwide outrage, and the entire country has united to demand justice for him. However, the Congress has made the killing political. Congress leader Shashi Tharoor turned the gruesome murder about the party and said that Congress workers are being killed from Kashmir to Kerala. On this, actor Anupam Kher has hit back at the Congress and said, in this scenario, when a terrorist kills anyone from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, he kills an Indian, not a political party member. What a twisted thing to say. So that's how Anupam Kher has countered Shashi Tharoor. I want to cut across to my colleague Zeenat, who is now joining us live, because Zeenat, the nation is outraged over the killing of Ajay Pandita. And while we all seek justice, why is the Congress party making it about themselves? And what is this war of words that is now ongoing between Shashi Tharoor, what he said, and how Anupam Kher has countered him?
See, Suesha, we need to understand that it's not about Congress, BJP or National Conference, or for that matter, any Kashmiri. It's all about the idea, the person who's supporting the idea of India in Kashmir, they are being targeted. Let's make it very clear, because we have been seeing the way the terrorist outfit has been targeted, because whenever any person participates in the political process, they don't want it, so they start issuing threat calls, they start issued warnings, and then many of them had fallen to the bullets. We have been seeing, you remember last year when Parihar brothers were killed in Jammu, although they were from BJP. Nobody from the Congress said that the BJP people are being targeted. But now, if you talk about in entire Jammu and Kashmir, where we have been seeing the insurgency coming for the last 3 decades or so, we have been seeing that n number of people from political parties to the civilians have been killed by terrorist outfit just because they were supporting the idea of democracy, they were supporting the idea of India in Kashmir. They wanted to get united with the rest of the country. So whether, if we talk about the particular case of Ajay Bharti, who was just few days back killed by terrorists in Anantnag of South Kashmir because he was on his work in an orchard when he was targeted by the terrorist outfits. Although it has been condemned not only by the Congress or the BJP, even the Kashmiri locals living in Anantnag, where he was elected as Sarpanch, although he was voted to power by the local Kashmiris there, they condemned the killing, they participated in the funeral and other things. So we cannot say that only those people are getting killed who are supporting one ideology or are from one political party. We have been seeing the way the local people, you remember just 3 days back when there was an encounter in Pinjura and 5 terrorists were neutralized by the security forces in 3 days. Some 14 terrorists were neutralized, and then in the evening one local civilian was abducted by the terrorists, and later in the next day his body was found. So it's not about the ideology, about the political party that the terrorists are targeting. They are only targeting those people who are supporting the India, who are supporting the idea of democracy in Kashmir.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And Zeenat will continue to get more reactions to this. For the moment, thank you for joining us. We are stepping into a